this video, we will discuss how the leak sensor and the shutoff ball valve operate together. The water supply shutoff ball valve and the leak sensor are considered to be an optional feature. The physical leak sensor is placed near the floor drain and it'll sound if a leak is detected. A leak alarm message will be sent to your phone and email. If you've also installed the water supply shutoff ball valve, it'll shut off the water to your entire home in case of a leak concern.
Visit us at www.canaturewg.com or call us toll-free at 1-877-288-9888.